Lazy evaluation in Python 3. Suppose I have a function with side effects. In the example, the side effect is that something is printed. Is there any version of the any or any construction of the list iterable which would not trigger side effects after finding a true result? Example, suppose this function. One might hope that this call would do the trick. Of course, it does not. Which prints. But I would like it to print this instead. Why? Range is an iterable, the list comprehension is producing an iterable. I would sort of expect Python to chain those together and stop executing the whole thing as soon as the any function stops consuming, which it should do once it reaches the first true. What am I misunderstanding? What version of this would behave in this way, if any?
Whenever you use a list, all the values are evaluated. The only way to get lazy evaluation is to keep it as an iterator. You can do this with a generator comprehension. To be clear, using the brackets is the same as doing any list AI for I in range 5.
You can also simply run the loop and break out of it. So,
another valid solution is as follow: first import from it tool take while then.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.